I'm Alex with Esch Construction Supply. This is Al Erickson, our parts specialist. Today we are going to discuss the benefits and what all comes in our cutoff saw service kits. So Al, can you explain to us what all comes in these in-field service kits?
So basically it gives you your full meal deal. You get your air filter, fuel filter, and spark plug all at one kit. And some reasons why you'd want to go with the kit, especially on the field, it's good practice to replace things like air filter, fuel filter, and spark plug all at the same time, as well as less downtime. And with Husqvarna currently, it is more cost effective to buy the maintenance kit versus individual parts. And more convenient for the operator. They can just have one easy box in the truck, and that way they have everything that they possibly would need for a quick tune-up on the field.
Awesome. Well, sweet. Thank you for going over this. These service kits for both, again, Husqvarna and steel saws are available at Esch Construction Supply. They all come in one box. So like you said, Al, they're all together for you, very convenient for a quick saw tune-up. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.